Alright, folks. Before the fresh new start of my new EAS Compilation series begins now, is come to my attention that I made another numerous mistakes yet again the second time because I've been using EAS streams to count them to get higher numbers, which I didn't realize that I was doing that because I thought I was gonna do it like 100% legit or something like that. But they ended up, no. They just throw mines away, and I was like, oh my god, what have I done? So anyways, I had to start my EAS compilations all over again the second time. Because that's the reason why I decided to count the stream awards to get higher numbers. Which I should not even be doing that in the first place. I should have waited even longer until severe weather hits Florida. Although Southwest Florida is not getting any severe weather because it was impacted by a major hurricane since September 28th of last year. So anyways, my brand new EES compilation starts right now, but from now on, WWG 59, WXKD 3, and WWG 92 will be my top 3 stations that I'll be catching alerts on. AM/FM alerts will still be counted, but not stream alerts. However, my brand new EAS compilation series will now be Southwest Florida Insanity instead of sheer craziness. So I hope you guys enjoy and understand.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings in selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office. These are the record low is 42 degrees, which feels flat set in 1983, which is 3 precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total.
Now we wait for Ruskin.
Cooling degree days yesterday. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast.
This is called K-Loves and
weather.gov for the latest weather information.
they might get it too.
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio.
No!
for the latest.
Caleb failed too!
Or visit weather.gov for the latest weather regulations. Temporarily off the air. Weather.gov for the latest weather radio broadcast.
They failed!
This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather.
No!
Coastal waters forecast for the following.
Well, that was a fail.
Issued at 10:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rest of today, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. East winds 10 to 15.
That was some goofy moments.
Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening.
Take two. Caleb.
Coastal waters forecast.
Between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Unless severe weather. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular performance.
Yes! Second time did the trick. Okay. WWC 59. As you can see here, I am now doing an EAS capture counter. You see this? Every time when I catch EASs, it will go to my EAS counter. WXK83 475. This might sound like a little off. This may look a little off. Yeah, it kind of looks weird for you all guys to see that. I also got K-Loves. So for the real time purposes, okay. Now that it's set, so now I'm at 4 right now. I've already caught the first 4 so far, but the failed ones don't count. Unfortunately, this already isn't a very good start to the week there. Yeah, Seriously, this already isn't a good start. So luckily we made it the second try successful. I'll try to make number 5. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. However, gonna put it right here. Well, see you all for the 6 p.m. test.
Receiving signals for the test of public warning alarm for transmitters of Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system, Pacific area messaging order.
KSP always does that.
Each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Yeah. Caleb test successful. Yes. Let's start.